Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to add multiple stops on Apple Maps. First, open the Maps app. Then you're going to tap right where you see Search Maps, and you're going to type in the location that you're going to visit. After doing that, you're going to tap on the car icon that shows the estimated time. And right below the location that you're going to visit, you will see the option Add Stop. You're going to tap on that. From here, you can type in the stop that you're going to use. As you can see right there, a stop has been added. And you can also tap on Add Stop again, and you could add another stop. So let's say, for example, I want to stop right here also. And you can see right there. Then you'll simply tap on Go to get started, or you can add even more stops. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.